Hey guys, here we are, episode 10. How's it going over here, Ruben? Still working on the, just a little bit more, right? A little soft low spot. Good. Okay, good, good. Long, how you doing?
Very good, very good.
A little bit more leverage, a little bit harder. Good. Down a little bit. You're a little bit above the dent. Go down a little bit. There you go. You will. Yep. Mr. Charlie, what do we got? We still on that little low? Try changing your view. You can use this tool, adjust yourself to watch. Come in this way, so put yourself further out here to get a better view here. Stretch yourself or move yourself a little bit further away from it. Okay? Hold on here. Push right there. Get a better view further back. Okay? Try that. Instead of being close right up on it.
Give yourself space.
Yourself a little more space. There you go. That way it forces you to turn your head to the side and gives you that view. Hey guys, so here's just a small sample of some of our new tools that are going to be coming out. These are 26-point ratchet style handle tools. No other tool or accessory needed to adjust these here. All you do is simply grab the shaft of the tool, pull the handle, twist. Okay? We've got them in different lengths, different thicknesses. Everybody knows that that J-rod that we use, the one problem that we all run into, where the handle starts to hit the door edge, right? You go to take that handle and now it's not a problem anymore. Okay? A lot of shorter hand tools also. Okay? These tools will be out shortly. Make sure you contact us so that way we can keep you updated on our YouTube channels, our Instagram, and our Facebook. How's this going? Got the brace one?
Yeah.
Braced aluminum deck. Yeah, I love the aluminum, man. That aluminum fender, now the deck lid. Good. It's almost there. Breaking it up, like I said, definitely helped. Hey guys, so we just got through showing you guys 10 episodes, 10 days here at the Ding King. The main reason for us putting these videos together here is to let the new incoming dent students or guys that are thinking about coming to our school, let them in on what we do, on what our class involves.